Well, water main breaks are one of the issues the Ohio Emergency Management Agency is really helping communities now as we get through this aftermath of the storm.
Today, I sat down with Agency Director Sima Merick for this Sunday's Face the State to assess the state's response to the snowstorm. She says overall it went well, and now they are focused on the frigid temperatures.
So we're coordinating with our county emergency management agencies, we're working with our state partners, and we're continuing to coordinate with the National Weather Service to see what those temperatures are, what's overnight look like, what are the wind chills, and are there going to be impacts from this weather as we continue? Because it's just not breaking at this point.
Are you still getting requests for help at this point?
We are not. We are getting information to say, hey, we're dealing with this locally.
But Merick says the Ohio Emergency Management Agency is ready to help with local issues such as water main breaks.
There are times that they need assistance in procuring water or having water for their residents while they're making those repairs. That's a big one.
Even before the storm, Governor Mike DeWine declared a state of emergency. He directed the EMA, Highway Patrol, and ODOT to provide additional resources and support to local communities as needed. Merick says having resources in place made a difference.
We did well because we weren't going to be able to shift resources to the northwest from the southeast, Doug, because everybody needed them. So everybody listened, everyone came together, and they realized we were going to respond statewide.
Any lessons learned?
I think there's always lessons to be learned, right? And some of them are, let's tweak what we did well. Let's do even a broader public messaging campaign.
And you can watch my full interview with Director Merick this Sunday morning at 11:30 on Face the State, right here on 10 TV and 10 TV Plus.